Designer Genomics International is actively recruiting physicians for a new clinical study looking at inflammasomes. I'm Marvin Hausman, MD. I'm the principal investigator of this IRB-approved study. We're taking an integrative approach to the fields of cancer genomics, pharmacogenomics, mRNA microarrays, and nutrigenomics. Inflammasomes were discovered in 2002. Dr. Shop and team were able to identify the role of inflammasomes in chronic diseases such as gout and type 2 diabetes. Inflammasome signaling is a surefire way to initiate inflammation in response to tissue damage or infectious threats. However, uncontrolled inflammasome activation can wreak havoc in healthy tissues and healthy people. Scientists at Trinity College Dublin have discovered how certain cancers hijack the immune system for the cancer's benefit. The cancers have an ability to trick the body into helping them grow and thrive. Cancers frequently exploit the wound healing side of the immune system for their own ends. Indeed, cancers have been described as wounds that do not heal due to their ability to masquerade as damaged tissue in order to trick and deceive the body to receive help from the body's immune system. To answer this question, Designer Genomics will study DNA, RNA, and mRNA in persons who have a personal history of cancer or who have two or more relatives with a cancer diagnosis and symptoms of cancer themselves. The inflammasome panel in our study is based on mRNA and miRNA plus a unique bioinformatics strategy that may allow development of predictive models prior to onset of the obvious manifestation of disease. Subject specimens will be collected using non-invasive buccal swabs to make things easy for study sites and to minimize subject discomfort. Essentially, the inflammasome panel is really an inflammatory index. This index has the ability to measure silent inflammation that sneaks up on the person over years and is able silently to cause chronic disease such as atherosclerosis, kidney disease, arthritis, post-traumatic stress disorder, as well as many other devastating diseases. Silent inflammation is not a disease. It's only an indication of a problem that's going to develop in the future. Designer Genomics International is actively recruiting physicians for a new clinical study looking at inflammasomes. I'm Marvin Hausman. I went to medical school at New York University School of Medicine. I then became a general surgeon, got drafted into the Vietnam War, and then ended up in Washington, D.C. at NIH, where I performed 2 years of research on the immune system. After my service in the military, I went to UCLA, where I became a board-certified kidney surgeon with a specialty in pediatric kidney disease. I then continued my love of research and developed several drugs for the pharmaceutical industry and even had my own company that was very successful as a clinical research organization. And it's a pleasure to continue my research experience and develop the inflammasome panel and the ability to potentially leave a legacy for the development of chronic disease.